Hi, and welcome to this video on how to replace the top panel and surround on the Sony Vaio VGN B1XP. So first things first, we need to slot the lid, turn the laptop over and remove the battery. To remove the battery, you need to slide this to the unlock and also slide that across and slide the battery out, like so. Over to one side. Next, we need to remove the CD drive. What we need to do is take these two screws out here. Like so. And gently lever the DVD drive out. For more information on how to remove the DVD drive, just click the link up here on how to remove the DVD drive. Then we need to remove the hard drive. For more information on how to remove the hard drive, please see the video up here as well on how to do that. Okay, now we need to remove all of the screws on the base of the laptop. This is so we can get the top black panel off. So there are 1, 2, 3 down that small hole, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the keyboard, 10, 11, 12, 13 screws in total. Okay, final screw is the one for the keyboard, like so. Right, what we need to do is turn the laptop back over this way to make it a little bit easier to open up, because we need to push the lid all the way back so it appears flat. Then from the video linked up in this corner here, we're also going to remove the keyboard. Okay, next we need to remove these 3 connectors here. They all have the same brown lift up clip, and just lift out like so. This one on the end here doesn't have a clip. All you need to do is just lift it straight out like so. The one that's slightly tucked under there you don't need to remove because it's not attached to the black cover at the top. To release the cover, all you need to do is you should find the laptop to be a little bit loose like so. That's great. There are a set of screws still remaining to remove. So there's 1, 2, 3. This will now allow the bezel to lift up. You then start over this side near where the wireless switch is and lift up off the bracket for the monitor. Come around to this side and just gently prise it off. There isn't any special sort of clips. I do find, because you've got a couple of ports down on this side here, like there, if you just gently lift them up and over like so. And there we go. Now don't lift it straight off, because there is one more cable which is just here. This is for the trackpad and buttons. Just gently lift it straight out like so. And there you go, you've taken off the cover. So from here you can replace the memory, replace the audio boards, screen display boards, Wi-Fi chip, processor, fan and heatsink. So to put that together, all we need to do is lift the lid back on, line up the connector for the mouse, like so, slide these back over straight, like that. What you do is make sure you get the back part connected first, and then push down just gently over the rest. Reinstall our 3 screws. Reinstall these 3 connectors we disconnected earlier. So this one hit on the white block, just push it straight in. This one you need to make sure the brown clip is up. Slide the connector in, like so, and push the brown clip down to lock in place, like so, and then the same with this one on this side, like so. Now to the keyboard, same thing applies. Slide the keyboard back into place, like so. Gently push down on each side. Push in, close up the lid. Flip the laptop over. Reinstall all 13 screws. Reinstall the hard drive. And then reinstall the DVD drive. Like so. Reinstall our battery. And that's it. So this has been how to take the top bezel part of the Sony Vaio VGN B1XP laptop. So this allows you to get to the memory, the touchpad, and all of the internal workings of the laptop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.